Change alone is unchanging, meaning change actually can be considered very easily to be the only fundamental, sole, and imperative and necessary principle in the world that just cannot be changed, altered, transformed, or manipulated or distracted by anyone or anything in the world, no matter who they are, what they represent, or what kind of science, technology, knowledge, success they develop or they acquire or possess in their lives. But still, they have to undergo change. They have to accept and subdue and basically surrender themselves to the inevitable, powerful, and unwielding universal cosmic principle of change that is always there, that is always working and functioning, not only within ourselves, in our organs, biology, but also in our external circumstances, in the other people's behaviors, judgments, comments, thoughts, opinions, and analysis towards one another, and also for us, as well as our own thoughts, perceptions, mentality, and actions are also changing constantly and permanently from time to time, and that is the inevitable result of change, which is again inevitable and just cannot be reverted, changed, manipulated, or corrupted by anyone in the world. We cannot stop the whole process of change, and we certainly cannot control, manipulate, and change time and space either. Time also continues to move forward. Time always is moving. We don't know either backwards or forwards because we have invented our own definition of understanding of time, but time is empty. Time is always moving, it's always in movement, so we can neither say with absolute certainty whether it's moving forward, nor can we say with absolute apprehension whether it's really in the present or backwards or past, because time is an infinite principle. It's always movement that is empty, that is infinite. So obviously in the midst of all this there comes change. Everything is subject to change. Everything that's living, everything that's biological and is a living organism has to undergo the principle of change. So obviously we cannot avoid change in our lives also, because we are changing even if we are not. Even if we say and believe that we are the same, that we are constant, persevering in ourselves, and that we absolutely refuse change in our lives, then also we are changing in certain ways, in certain things, behaviors and actions. We are changing in one way or another that we don't always notice, recognize, identify in ourselves, but the change is always there. And again, change alone cannot be changed. Change is the only powerful principle and rule in the world that can neither be changed nor manipulated nor distracted by anyone in the world. So change cannot be changed. Change is always unchanging, unalterable, uncircumstantial, unconditional, because it's always happening. It's always